Crafting powerful conclusions, calls to action and posing questions. Hello, language learners and future test takers. Today, we're diving deep into a very special aspect of essay writing for the SAT and ACT. How to pen an impactful conclusion using two strategies, offering a call to action and posing a question. So, whether you're trying to leave a lasting impression on your reader or provoke thought, stay tuned. The conclusion is your final chance to leave an impact on your reader. It's the last thing they'll read and remember. A strong conclusion doesn't just summarize your points. It provides closure and drives your message home. A call to action is an invitation to your reader to take a specific step or change their viewpoint. It's potent because it's direct, making your reader feel involved and active. For instance, if you wrote an essay about the importance of recycling, your call to action might be, let's pledge to recycle more often, ensuring a greener and more sustainable future for the generations to come. Another effective strategy is ending with a question. Instead of telling your reader what to think, you're encouraging them to ponder further. Using the recycling example again, a concluding question might be, how would our planet change if each of us took a small step toward recycling daily? Questions can be a gentle nudge, making your audience think more deeply about the topic, even after they've finished reading. 1. Stay relevant. Whether you're offering a call to action or posing a question, ensure it's directly related to the content of your essay. 2. Keep it concise. Your conclusion shouldn't be another essay. It should be punchy and to the point. 3. Personal touch. Make it personal. If the reader feels connected to your message, they're more likely to take action or ponder over your posed question. And there you have it. Conclusions are more than just a summary of your essay. They're your last shot at making an impact. Whether through a powerful call to action or a thought-provoking question, ensure you leave your reader with something to chew on. Until next time, keep practicing and remember, a great essay is capped off with an even greater conclusion.